Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch to single spacing on your Google slide presentation. So for whatever selected media you want. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just highlight the text and then select the Format tab at the top. Select where it says line and paragraph spacing and then just select single. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.